welcome all the distinguished dignitaries, and I think we all have picked up our sides with the color. And it's an absolute pleasure to be here and to welcome the industry, the whole ecosystem coming together. We have been a proud member of the air cargo community for a long time, and this year it's heartwarming to see that we are able to bring in the transport logistics edition, the debut edition, the first edition to Mumbai, completing the ecosystem, moving towards a multimodal event. So thank you all of you for your support to make that happen. Thank you all the well-wishers to make that happen. And it's not just that, there is also a tiny bit announcement that I want to add. Transport logistics globally is present in 7 different markets. And today we want to announce the 8th market. And to announce that, I would like to call our global industry lead, Robert Schulberger, Dr. Robert Schulberger, sir, please join me. And also our colleague from DMG Events, our partner, Mohammed Qazi. Mohammed, please join us. And I pass on the mic to Robert too first.
Yeah, very good morning also from my side. The logistics industry is evolving and there are a lot of interesting markets, and we want to create a platform for these markets. Within these markets we were requested by our customers to explore new regions for us, but within a hotspot of logistics, and very soon we will see a partnership with DMG Events, and we're gonna have transport, logistics and air cargo Middle East. And we're very proud because it's already in 6 months' time, collocating with another show, but maybe one that can give us more insights where, when, and what we'll see.
Make it a bit more specific. Here in Middle East.
Thank you very much for being there, Robert. It's my absolute pleasure to be here. Just to give a little bit of an introduction about DMG Events, we are a UK-based company in the UK for a very long time. It's the daily mail newspaper within the Middle East for the last 30 years. We're delighted to be partnering with Men's Invention. The team collaboration is on a very different level. We produced together a world-leading event, IFAT, in Saudi Arabia very recently. And we've been delighted to obviously make the announcement of TL and air cargo in the Middle East in Saudi Arabia in September 2026. It's a market, it's a region which cannot be ignored. If some of you, which I'm pretty sure are aware of what Saudi Arabia and the news that is coming out of Saudi Arabia, the Vision 2030 plan, they want to make sure that the transport and the logistic hub in the Middle East starts from Saudi Arabia. And I think there's no other brand or company to be partnering with other than Men's Invention and the TL and the air cargo brand. So we're very excited. We're delighted to be welcoming you all in September in Riyadh. We're really looking forward today to be networking and engaging with the community. Thank you.
Thank you, and with that, I wish all of you all the very best. I wish and I hope that you go back with more knowledge, more business, more insights into the future. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that announcement. And now we proceed with the ribbon cutting ceremony. So may I request the scissors to each governors IIM Mumbai. Mr. Sanjay Bhatia, IAS retired, Up-Lok Ayukt, Maharashtra State, NAC Chairman, Transport Logistics India. Mr. Sanjeev Edward, President Air Cargo Forum of India. Mr. Pradeep Singhal, Chairman, All India Transporters Welfare Association. Mr. Ashok Goel, National President, All India Transporters Welfare Association. Mr. Shantanu Bhatkamkar, President, Association of Multimodal Transport Operators of India. Mr. Jitendra Parekh, Vice President, Bombay Goods Transport Association. Commander Ajay Zadu, Group General Manager, Central Warehousing Corporation. Dr. Pramod Sant, Director General, Federation of Freight Forwarders Association in India. Mr. R.K. Patra, Group Editor-in-Chief, Stack Publishing Group. Mr. Deepak Shetty, IRS retired, former Secretary to the Government of India and Director General of Shipping, Ministry of Shipping. Shri N.S. Sivasailam, IAS retired, FCILT National Chairman, the Chartered Institute of Logistics and Transport India, and former Special Secretary, Ministry of Commerce and Industry.
And smile. Keep looking straight and smile. Look here, please. Look here.
3, 2, and 1.
I don't think they are busy. I think they more show कि हम लोग busy है किसी को फोन करो
Really? That is fantastic.
More details will come from
He didn't tell me why he was there. He didn't tell me why he was there. No, we don't get news.
it's in public domain. It was when he was working there. Now he's in all the sham.
बचानी आई थिंक